Hi, this is Joe from the Math Perimeter. In this video, we will complete the square to evaluate the integral of 1 over root x squared plus 6x plus 10 dx. To begin, we rewrite 10 as 9 plus 1. This gives the integral of 1 over root x squared plus 6x plus 9 plus 1 dx. Factoring then gives the integral of 1 over root x plus 3 times x plus 3 plus 1 dx. This is equivalent to the integral of 1 over root x plus 3 squared plus 1 dx. Next, we let x plus 3 equals tangent of theta. The differential is then dx equals secant squared of theta d theta. Substituting into the integral then gives the integral of 1 over root tangent squared of theta plus 1 secant squared of theta d theta. Simplifying using the Pythagorean identity then gives the integral of 1 over root secant squared of theta, secant squared of theta d theta. Taking the square root then gives the integral of 1 over secant of theta, secant squared of theta d theta. Simplifying gives the integral of secant of theta d theta, multiplying the numerator and denominator by secant of theta plus tangent of theta, then gives the integral of secant of theta times secant of theta plus tangent of theta all over secant of theta plus tangent of theta d theta. Distributing secant of theta, we obtain the integral of secant squared of theta plus secant of theta tangent of theta all over secant of theta plus tangent of theta d theta. Next, we let u equals secant of theta plus tangent of theta. The differential is then du equals secant of theta tangent of theta plus secant squared of theta d theta. Substituting into the integral, we arrive at the integral of 1 over u du. Integrating gives ln absolute value of u plus c. Back substituting then gives ln absolute value of secant of theta plus tangent of theta plus c. Next, we draw the triangle for our substitution. Using the triangle to rewrite everything in terms of x then gives ln absolute value of root x plus 3 squared plus 1 plus x plus 3 plus c. Expanding the exponential then gives ln absolute value of x plus 3 times x plus 3 plus 1 plus x plus 3 plus c. Multiplying then gives ln absolute value of root x squared plus 3x plus 3x plus 9 plus 1 plus x plus 3 plus c. Simplifying, we arrive at a final answer of ln absolute value of root x squared plus 6x plus 10 plus x plus 3 plus c. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe. Thank you. See you next time.